Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to access your Figma file's history. This is incredibly useful when you need to track changes, restore previous versions, or simply review how your design evolved over time. Let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your Figma application. Once you've got that up and running, navigate to the specific project or file where you want to view the history. It's important to make sure you're working with the correct file, especially if you're managing multiple design projects at once. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one before moving forward. Now that you've got your file open, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see the Figma icon sitting at the top of the interface. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will reveal a drop-down menu with several options available for managing your file. From this menu, look for and click on File. This is where you'll find all the essential file management tools that Figma offers. Within the File menu, you'll notice an option that says Show Version History. Click on that. This action opens up the Version History panel, which is essentially a timeline of all the changes and saves that have been made to your design file. This feature is particularly valuable when you're collaborating with a team or when you need to revert to an earlier iteration of your work. Once you've clicked Show Version History, shift your focus to the right side of your screen. Here you'll see the complete version history of your Figma file displayed. This panel shows you all the saved versions chronologically, allowing you to browse through different points in your design's development. You can click on any version to preview it, and if needed, you can restore that version to continue working from that specific point. This makes it easy to track progress, identify when specific changes were made, or simply explore different design directions you may have taken. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your Figma file's history and can now review, compare, or restore any previous version of your design whenever you need to. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.